Hi everybody, Dustin from Bessette Motors in Carrington, North Dakota with another Did You Know video. Today we're going to talk about adaptive cruise control. The button for that is located over here by all your other cruise control buttons. It's this top right button right there. You hit that button and you can set the distance of your collision alert. Closer, farther away. What that does is if you're following somebody, you have your cruise set, you start getting that close to the vehicle, it'll slow you down to match the speed of the vehicle in front of you. You can also set the warnings over here on your center console. It's in your settings. You go to Vehicle Collision Detective Systems, and it's the forward collision system. You can turn it off, you can set it just alert or alert and brake. Factory default is alert and brake. It's another awesome option for if you're road tripping and you want to follow somebody. Just set your cruise and it'll stay right behind you. Thanks for watching. This is Dustin from Bessette Motors, Carrington, North Dakota, where our customers send their friends.